What are you doing there, Robert?
Going for a walk.
I'm gonna preference this now. If you touch my hair, I will kill you.
Why?
What?
I don't know. What's giving you that indication that something would happen? So Robert's learning how to weld, guys. So tell us, let us know in the comments how well you think he's doing. Hey, you need that cut,
Oh,
dude.
dear Lord. It got stuck. Let me try. Also, if we keep rotating, we're not going to get a bubble.
Whoa, dude, this is a G-rated channel. Alright. We have our thingy. We're going to grind that thingy and make it clean for paint. Let's get it ready.
It was no longer a G-rated channel after you assaulted me.
There's no assault, dude. I only like pepper. Okay, just as a little update, I finished the one and I wanted to see how well this epoxy paint that I got went on. And as you can tell, that is 2 coats right there. That looks really, really good. I don't care about the overspray because I'm getting new tires, so it doesn't really matter. I cleaned up the chrome one a whole bunch. So I will show you guys that. Look at that, that cleaned up so much better. So I hope you can paint on top of chrome and it won't fall off. I'm gonna switch wheels and then we're gonna see if we can't clean the inside of this one. I want to see how this chrome turns out, so we're gonna pull it over and paint it. This is fine. First coat done, let's see how this goes. Okay, time for coat number 2. Coat number 2. Woo! Okay, guys. I hope you guys liked today's video. I know it's a little shorter than usual, but please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've been daily for pretty much 6 months now. I'm like 3 days short. So hit that subscribe button. I've been daily. I haven't missed a single upload in 6 months. So you guys should definitely hit that subscribe button and see the rest of this Volkswagen Roadster build. And again, this is a 1957 and this thing is looking poppin'. I can't wait for what it's gonna look like. Anyways, guys, without further ado, I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one, and with nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.